Do you want to make money with YouTube Shorts channels without ever showing your face, but you're unsure where to start? The biggest hurdle for many is taking that first step, choosing the right niche. Picking a single niche is crucial because it allows all your shorts to work together. When one video takes off, it can boost your other videos, driving more views and engagement across your channel. Now, if you're stuck trying to decide which niche is the best, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people stress about making the wrong choice, but here's the good news. You can avoid that mistake entirely. There are a few proven YouTube Shorts niches that consistently perform well. I've done extensive research, spoken to students who are crushing it with YouTube Shorts, and today I'll share everything you need to know. If you missed my previous video on making money with YouTube Shorts, a strategy most people don't even know about, make sure to check that out for a solid foundation. But in this video, we're diving into how you can get fast results with YouTube Shorts channels. It all starts with picking the right niche. I'm going to reveal 5 incredible YouTube Shorts niches that you can dominate. Plus, I'll show you how to create content for these niches using AI, so you barely have to lift a finger. You'll also see real-life examples of successful channels in these niches, how they're earning money, and the strategies they use to create videos so you can replicate their success. Let's get started. Niche 1, travel. Travel videos are going viral these days and are an evergreen topic. Travel shorts are gaining millions of views and generating good income. Let's take a look at an example channel. Check out this channel, The Travel Shack. It has uploaded 463 shorts and gained 585K subscribers. The creator generates these videos with the help of AI. Look at the most popular videos, they are getting millions of views. Now, I'll show you how you can create similar videos within 1 minute. Open Smart Short and create an account. Input your video title. For example, if you want to generate travel videos, you can select travel or type your title here and click generate. The tool will generate a script for you. You can make changes to the script if needed. Next, choose the voice you want to use for your video. Select one you like. Click next and the tool will start generating your video. Within a minute, the short video is ready. You can adjust the caption style if you want. Once you're satisfied, download the video and upload it to your channel.
Imagine standing on the edge of the Grand Canyon, the vastness stretching before you, colors shifting as the sun sets. It's a breathtaking sight that leaves you speechless. Next, picture the serene beaches of Bali, where turquoise waters meet golden sands, the sound of waves crashing.
You can find the tool link in the description. Niche 2, funny jokes. Nowadays, after spending long hours at 9-to-5 jobs, people often feel tired and look for ways to lift their mood. Watching short joke videos has become a popular way to relax and have a good laugh. That's why this niche is growing rapidly. Moreover, gaining subscribers with fewer views is easier in this niche because it connects with people emotionally. Take a look at this channel, Satisfying Jokes. It has gained 134K subscribers with just 101 videos. Their short videos are getting plenty of views. Now you might be wondering how you can create such videos. We'll follow the same process as before. Open SmartShot. Create an account if you haven't already. Input your title. Enter a title related to funny jokes or choose a catchy title for your video. Generate the script. Click Generate, and the tool will provide a script. Review and edit it if needed. Select the voice. Choose a voice that fits your video style. Generate the video. Click Next, and SmartShot will process your video. In no time, your video will be ready. You can watch it and make changes to captions, text, or media if needed. Once satisfied, download the video and upload it to your channel.
Why did the math book look sad? It had too many problems, but let's dive deeper into the world of math humor. Imagine a mathematician walking into a bar. He orders a drink and...
If you're finding my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Niche 3, Scary Stories. Take a look at this channel, Tales from the Dark Side. This channel has gained 17,000 subscribers with just 22 videos. One of its most popular videos has approximately 1 million views, and all the videos are generated using AI. With the help of SmartShot, you can create any kind of video quickly and easily. Let's get started. Open SmartShot. Select the Scary Stories category and write your video title in the input field. Generate the script. The tool will create a compelling script for your story. Choose a voiceover. Select the voice that best fits the spooky tone of your video. Generate the video. Within 1 minute, your video will be ready to download. Start uploading your videos and pave your way to millions in no time.
A father and son set out on a camping trip, excited for a weekend in the woods. As night fell, they gathered around a crackling fire. The father began telling scary stories, his voice low and thrilling. Suddenly, the wind howled and the shadows danced around them.
If you love spooky content and want to learn more secrets, hit subscribe and join our journey into the dark. Niche 4, History Facts. This is one of the fastest growing niches because everyone is curious to learn about history. Let's take a look at this channel, Jabril Sagas. It has gained over 232K subscribers with just 83 videos. The videos on this channel are getting millions of views, with the most popular ones having 22 million and 12 million views respectively. This makes History Facts one of the best niches to explore, in my opinion. To create videos in this niche, follow the same process using SmartShot. Select History Facts. Open SmartShot and choose this category. Input details. Write a brief title or description of your video idea. Generate the script. Click Generate to receive a script and edit it if needed. Select the voiceover. Pick a voice that suits your content style. Create the video. Click Generate and your video will be ready in no time. Now, download your video and upload it to start growing your channel.
History is filled with bizarre events that seem too strange to be true. Did you know that Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid? It's mind-blowing. And here's another shocker. In the 1800s, people believed that tomatoes were poisonous. They called them poison apples and avoided them like the plague.
If you're passionate about uncovering history's mysteries, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing tips. Niche 5, Random Facts. Now, we've reached the final niche of this video, Random Facts. Take a look at this channel and its incredible growth. The creator shares random facts about a variety of topics and has gained over 3 million subscribers with just 200 videos. This shows the immense potential of this niche. Creating videos for this niche is just as simple as the methods we've covered so far. Here's how. Open SmartShot. Select the Fun Facts category. Input your keyword. Write a specific keyword or title related to your video topic. Generate the script. Click Generate and let the tool create an engaging script for you. Select a voiceover. Choose a voice that matches your video's tone. Create the video. Hit Generate and within moments, your video will be ready. Now, download your video, upload it to your YouTube channel, and start turning those views into dollars.
Did you know that knowing how to perform the Heimlich maneuver could save a choking person's life? It's a simple technique that everyone should learn. Just a few thrusts can dislodge food blocking the airway. Here's another shocking fact. Keeping a whistle on your keychain can be a lifesaver in emergencies. If you're lost or in danger, a whistle...
If you've enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me for more valuable insights.